What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. Today's video, we're going to be going to the junkyard. I'm going to be picking up a few sensors for Rachel, my CD5 K-swap Accord, and seeing what else we could score. We're probably about like 20 minutes away, and this light traffic, nothing serious, cruise weather, you know. All right, well, first victim. There it is right there. BD series sensor for, supposedly I'm supposed to be using that because it's a different frequency for the temp gauge. All right, boys, so I did end up coming through in the clutch with majority of the stuff that I needed. I couldn't really record on a time crunch. It was like me against the clock pretty much, but I saw a K24 Accord and I was just trying to snag sensors off. They rang the siren, so that was pretty much it. Like, I seen it too late. But what I did end up getting was brake master cylinder, because mine is currently leaking from the two lines, so I'd rather have a spare. I got both brake lines to go to them because these brake lines are better. And here's the other one there. And here's the other one. So that was 20 bucks. Put that on the ground. And then, so I did manage to get these two. So these go for the valve cover. So now when I put it on, it'll look more sleek. And I also got a B and a D series sensors for coolant temp. So whatever, you guys get the point. But I got two. I have another one inside my bag somewhere, and I have these two. So for overall trip, for running late, I think I did pretty good. All right, so we are back here at Rachel. So you see, no fuel pressure regulator. It just arrived today over there at K-Tuned. So I was like, you know what? Instead of waiting around for it, I might as well go ahead and do an install video along with the junkyard run. So I'm not gonna be putting in the master today, even though I should. It's right there, but I'm not. The one that I pulled off definitely looks a lot better than that. So that's that. But today we got Coolant Overflow tank that we gotta mount up somewhere. And there goes everything. Here's the tank. Nice little piece. Nice. Definitely got to clean the inside of this. Looks a little dirty in there. This is the hose. I don't like how this is set up. I don't like the color. But for now it'll do. But till then, probably gonna have to replace it after. These are basically the screws and stuff. And the brackets. That's it. Now how's that? I mean, it's not as flashy, but it'll work. Now I just gotta find two nuts for here, and then that's it. And then I gotta go back to that. I was thinking about probably around this area place it so it could sit like right here, kind of. All right, so I got it mocked up. This might be the permanent spot, but not the way it's gonna be held down, and that line has to change. It's definitely a sore thumb. But since I got it from eBay and there were no instructions, I was like, you know what, it's universal, let me just use a bracket, let me figure something out. So I tried doing it on that side, and then slowly realized that there's there's nothing able to be mounted in any of these. So I was like, all right, you know what, let me try something else. So I did on this side, and it worked out way better. So I have the milliliter bottle. It's 800 milliliters. I got it held down by zip ties, and I used one of the two brackets. The other bracket is this one. Has like a groove. And yeah, pretty much. So I think that's what I'm gonna be working with. Coolant level still good. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down, fill it up with coolant, and send it, pretty much. That's all I could do right now. And I'm high-key pissed right now because, oh my God, remember I was telling you guys I was trying to beat the clock? So, long story short, I left my 1/4-inch snap-on ratchet in one of the cars, and I know which car it is too. So tomorrow I'm gonna wake up really early, and I'm gonna shoot up over there, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. I just hope it's still there in the morning. But I plan on waking up like an hour before, making my way up. So hopefully I should be there in time. So tell me what you guys think. I think it's a nice piece. I think it added some kind of character. Really good. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, boys. Mission Save My Ratchet has commenced. You see the time. The place opens at 8 o'clock, but I'm gonna see if I could try to get in there a little early and go ahead and get my ratchet back, and maybe I could probably score that valve cover and that sensor. And this is stupid. This is all my fault. But you know what? I gotta do it. I gotta do it. All right, boys. So I'm here. I'm the first one here, and I'm just waiting. Oh my God, this is so stupid. But since I'm here, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and try and grab that actuator, VTC actuator, and maybe a valve cover. See what I could do. They don't open until 8 o'clock. I've been here since exactly 7:30. So right now it's like 7:45, and yeah. I love my shift boot. I gotta tuck it back in, but I love it. All right, boys. It was a very successful morning. I got the valve cover I needed. I got the VTC actuator I needed. I definitely got the 1/4-inch ratchet. It's secured. I secured the bag. Yeah, me and that ratchet, we gotta have a talk. I wanted to have a night out with the boys, and yeah. So he's gonna get it when I get home. He might be on timeout for a long time. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drive home. I definitely need some gas, so I'm gonna go ahead and get gas. So this whole vlog / install turned into a vlog style. Man, y'all get the point. But I should call this like Adventures in Space. All right, boys. So we are in the garage, and here's the stuff. So here's the valve cover, and here's the VTC actuator. I actually got this for free. I put this in there, and I guess the guy didn't look, and he only charged me for the valve cover, and the valve cover was 20 bucks. All right, so I'm gonna be honest. It's this valve cover is pretty rough. You know what I'm saying? But it's a perfect canvas to have as a backup in case I get bored of my wrinkled one, or if this one comes out better. So in the comment section below, what color should I paint this to match my car and my engine bay? It does need a lot of TLC, but you know what? That's why I bought it. It was 20 bucks. It's not that big of a deal. You know what I mean? Like, this is something I can use later. So I think I came up as far as the valve cover and everything that I went in this video for. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna end today's video. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. You know, I appreciate all of you. Thank you. If you're new here, please do me a favor. For me, like, comment, and subscribe. Or even if you don't want to comment, just subscribe. It doesn't hurt. It's free. It helps the channel out a lot, and in the future, it'll come back. Trust me. I'm going to give back as much as I can in the future. I'm going to be doing a lot more than just what you guys are seeing right now. This is like the baby steps into the big plan that I have. So, you guys stay blessed. Have a good one. What is good with you, bro? Like, what were you thinking? Seriously, like, we had to go and get you, son. Like, that's not right. That's not fair. So you just gonna sit there with the stupid look, huh? All right. I see you just wanted time with your boys. That's dead now. Get no freedom.